This is a video to show you how to edit your payment method if you have a subscription. So this is our homepage here, as you may recognize. You can go ahead and click the little person icon in the top right corner of the page. And then you may have to log in, and so if you do, just go ahead and log in, and then you'll be brought to this page where you'll see Manage Subscriptions on the left side. So go ahead and click that. And then you will see your active subscriptions right here. You'll see we have one toothpaste shipping out every month. And you'll scroll down a little bit and see this More button. Go ahead and click that. And then click on Change Payment Method. And then you'll see, click the button below to request a secure link via email to update your credit card. You hit Confirm. And then you will be sent an email showing you how to update your payment method, and make sure to check spam if you're having trouble seeing that email come through.